In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos on iPhone. So all you need to do, just go and access your YouTube. Of course, you'd like to look for the video that you want to download. And if you find it, there's two ways to download a YouTube video. Either you click on the three dots bar of any video, and as you can see, you'll find a download video option. You can just go and click on that. And once you do so, you can choose whether you want the medium or low. But if you have YouTube Premium, you will be able even to download it for full HD and even the high quality. You can even remember your settings so you don't have to choose always which quality. They will download automatically. Or if you're watching already the video, let me just go as an example and stop it. So let me just wait also for the advertising, because you cannot download this if you didn't finish the advertising, of course. So let me just go here and I'll just go and post this. So what you'll have to do is below, you should find a download option. You can just go and click on that. And as you can see, you'll be able to download this without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.